Hi everyone, this is Selina. Welcome back to one of my videos. I hope you're well. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Selina and I release crochet tutorials and crochet related videos, and today I wanted to bring you a little video on my favorite yarns. So I have lots of different favorite yarns and I decided to choose these because these are my favorite yarns at the moment, but I will be discussing other yarns that I do love. And yes, so I hope you enjoy this fun little chatty video. So to begin, I just discovered this new yarn which is called Caron Colorama Halo by Yarnspirations. And it's a chunky, bulky yarn, and it's so pretty. It's 71% acrylic, 18% nylon, and 11% polyester. And it's quite a large ball of yarn, and I am currently crocheting a vintage project with this, so watch this space. I love it for this autumn winter because it's really soft and fluffy, and those are my favorite types of yarn for the autumn winter. Let me know in the comments which are your favorite yarns for the autumn and winter. I love fluffy yarns, so yes, so let me know. So I love this, and I will be crocheting probably many more projects with this yarn. And one of my other favorite yarns is this one by Lion Brand Yarns, and this is called Homespun. And it's obviously been around for quite a while, and it's super amazing. I have used it prior quite a lot. I used to use it a lot a few years ago. I think I have a couple of videos with this yarn, but I love it. I just ordered a few skeins of this cream color, and it's so beautiful. I'm very excited to be crocheting also a vintage project with this, and this is also a bulky yarn, also known as a size 5 yarn, and I think it's, yes, 98% acrylic and 2% other fiber, and it's really soft, and I love this, the way it's spun. It's so lovely, and I'm very excited about using this. Let me know if you love this yarn too. I'm trying to rack my brains thinking which project I've made with this, but I can't remember. But I love it, and I'm really planning on using this yarn very soon for a project I have in mind, so watch this space. And so this is one of my favorite yarns at the moment, and it's by Lion Brand Yarns. Another yarn that I love, a classic yarn that I've used time and time again, is yet again another yarn by Caron Yarnspirations, and this is a Simply Soft yarn, and this is a shade that I have. It's kind of a lilac shade, and it's called shade, I don't know how to pronounce this in English, so I'll pronounce it in French, orchidée. So that's how you would pronounce this in French, which is orchidée, and in English maybe it's orchard. Apologies, I'll have to find out about that. But anyways, this is 100% acrylic, and I love it so much. It's a medium 4 yarn, and the reason I love it is that it's so it's really a go-to yarn. It's so easy to use, it's really soft, it's very high quality, and I think it's very versatile. So I've crocheted so many projects with this, and I think it's particularly good for accessories like berets. I know I've made at least one beret pattern with this yarn. It's a great yarn also for bags and shawls. It's really perfect. So let me know if you love this yarn as much as me, but that's one of my favorite yarns. So yes. Another one of my favorite yarns is this one by Paintbox Yarns, and this is Paintbox Simply Aran. So this is color peach and it's so beautiful. I love it, and I have this yarn in many different colors and I love it. It's 100% acrylic and it's a medium 4 yarn once again, and the reason I love this yarn is that it's so once again versatile. I can use it for everything and anything, and also it's really affordable, so that is something that comes into account when I'm crocheting. So let me know if that is something that's important to you, the affordability of a yarn. I would love actually to explore this subject. I think in this day and age, with everything that's going on, I do think that budgeting and trying to figure out the best way forward money-wise is so important, and that is something I've been thinking about with yarns. So please let me know if that is something that you are concerned about and if that's of interest to you, because I'm very, very happy to delve into that subject, how to crochet in a more affordable or sustainable way. That's definitely something that's so important. So let me know if that is a priority or not for you. I do love fancier yarns by Caron or even Lion brand, but these do come at a certain price and we can't always afford, or maybe we're just wanting to be more careful with money. So let me know in the comments if that's something you're interested in, because I would be more than happy to film videos on how to be more aware of those types of things. So I hope I'm making sense. So yes, that's one of my favorite yarns because it's amazing. And again, this is Paintbox Yarns, but I find that this is quite a basic, although high quality Aran weight yarn. But it's very similar to another brand such as Stylecraft Yarns. To me is very similar, or even when I go shopping in a store in this country, I go to Hobbycraft and they have their own brand of basic acrylic yarn, which is also very similar. So yes, that's one of my favorite yarns. I love that it's an Aran weight yarn because again, it's very versatile. It can be used in many different ways. And yes, I can't wait to create more projects with this yarn. And then to finish off this video, this is also currently one of my favorite yarns. It's called Papatya Angora with merino wool. I'm so surprised it's called Angora because I was under the impression that Angora wool was not merino, that those were two different types of wool, but I could be mistaken. I need to research this actually. But honestly, it's so soft. I did purchase this online from the Knitting Network in England, and it's so amazing. But it's very similar to a yarn you can purchase in America on Amazon called Alize, and it's a fine yarn. It's 80% acrylic, 20% merino, and it's considered a fingering weight yarn. However, I think it's quite a thick fingering yarn, so it can definitely be substituted with a light 3 yarn in my opinion. but I do love it. Maybe it's because it's fluffy, so it gives the project more volume. I'm not really sure, but it's really soft and amazing, and I did use this for my previous project I released on Thursday, which was the Victorian wrap. And I'm currently using it at the moment for another vintage crochet project I'm working on. So here's a sneak peek of this project, and as you can see, it works up so well. It's so pretty, it's so soft. So again, let me know in the comments if you've ever used this yarn or if you've ever seen it anywhere. And yes, I would love to know which are your favorite yarns. Another one of my favorite yarns that I forgot to bring downstairs, so I'm just gonna mention it. So yes, Caron Angel Cakes is amazing. It's so pretty, but I think they discontinued it, so I'm super sad about that. And I do have a few skeins of that yarn that I still have. I've not yet used that yarn simply because I feel that for a tutorial, people want to be able to purchase the yarn that I'm talking about, so that always stops me using Caron Angel Cakes. But I might crochet a project with that yarn. I'm not really sure, but yes, so those are my favorite yarns at the moment for the autumn winter. Let me know which are your favorites. I love to know which are your favorite yarns to work with, because then I can test them out. And also, I have so many amazing projects coming very soon, and videos. Like I said, I do have a giveaway planned very soon, so I'm hoping to have that sorted out in the next few weeks, so watch this space. And also, I have an amazing video coming up, I'm hoping next week. I ordered a yarn that I'm very excited about, and I will be doing a live unboxing, testing out that yarn. It's a specific yarn, so you'll see next week what I'm talking about, but I'm very excited about that. And obviously my crochet tutorial on Thursday. So yes, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.